Assalamu alaikum students. Unit 6 of our English book is present perfect tense with already, ever, often and never. Gone. Mr. Riaz has gone to Multan. May I speak to Mr. Riaz please? I'm sorry, he is not here. He has gone to Multan. Read these sentences and practice the same conversation. Mr. Amin has gone to Islamabad. Miss Naz has gone to Lahore. Mrs. Amin has gone to Peshawar. Jamil has gone to Rahim Yar Khan. Uzma has gone to Kashmir. Mr. Rahim has gone to Sialkot. Miss Naz has gone to the cinema. Nasir has gone to the beach. In exercise 2, we'll use already. Make replies like the ones in blue. When is Zaib going to school? She has already gone. Jamil must read this book. He has already read it. Be careful, you will tear your coat. I have already torn it. A statement. When will she buy the book? She has already bought it. B. When does the lesson begin? It has already begun. C. Jamil must find his book. He has already found it. D. Be careful, you will tear your shirt. You have already torn it. Or I have already torn it. E. Uzma must write a letter. She has already written it. F. The children must put away their toys. They have already put away them. G. When will you do your homework? I have already done it. H. When are the boys going home? They have already gone home. I. Be careful, you will drop your books. I have already dropped them. J. When will you tell your mother? I have already told her. Students, you can do this exercise number 2 in your copies. Exercise 3 is use of been, ever, often and never. Ask and answer these questions. It's an oral activity. Have you ever been to a match? Yes, I have often been to a match. Have you ever been to Japan? No, I have never been to Japan. You can practice it at home. And question number exercise 5 is answer these questions. Use often or never. Often means अक्सर औकात and never means कभी नहीं. Exercise question A. Have you ever cooked a meal? No, I have never cooked a meal. B. Have you ever used a telephone? Yes, I have often used a telephone. Question C. Have you ever been to a museum? Yes, I have often been to a museum. Question D. Have you ever seen a tiger? No, I have never seen a tiger. Or yes, I have often seen a tiger if you have seen it in the museum. Question E. Have you ever lost your ruler? Yes, I have often lost my ruler. Question F. Have you ever climbed a tree? No, I have never climbed a tree. Question G. Have you ever won a prize? Yes, I have often won a prize. H. Have you ever seen a mosquito? Yes, I have often seen a mosquito. Have you ever watched television? Yes, I have often watched television. Have you ever broken your arm? No, I have never broken my arm. Have you ever eaten an apple? Yes, I have often eaten an apple. Have you ever looked into a mirror? Yes, I have often looked into a mirror. Have you ever played football? Yes, I have often played football. Have you ever written a letter? No, I have never written a letter, or yes, I have often written a letter. Have you ever heard thunder? Yes, I have often heard thunder. Have you ever seen lightning? Yes, I have often seen lightning. Students, you can do 5 sentences in your copies. Then there is reading aloud and spelling practice. Cry, sky, eye, tie, high, light, tight, night, tonight. The moon in the well. A well is a hole in the ground. There is water at the bottom. To get the water, we turn a handle. This lets a bucket go down the well and into the water. Then we turn the handle to bring the bucket up. One night a foolish man looked down a well. The water at the bottom was like a mirror. The man saw the moon in the water. The moon has fallen down the well, he said. I must get it out. He ran home to get a hook. He untied the bucket from the rope and tied the hook to the rope. Then he turned the handle and let the hook go down into the well. He wanted the hook to catch the moon and pull it up. The hook reached the water and the man turned the handle to pull up the hook, but the hook caught underneath a big stone. The man pulled and pulled, but the handle would not move. Suddenly the stone moved. The hook flew up the well. The man fell on to his back. He could see the sky. The moon was in the sky. Good, he said. I have put the moon back into the sky. Question A is what do we get from a well? We get water from a well. Question B, what is at the top end of the rope? There is a bucket at the there is a handle at the top end of the rope. Question C, what is at the bottom end of the rope? There is a bucket at the bottom end of the rope. Question D, where did the foolish man see the moon? The foolish man saw the moon in the water. Question E, what was the water in the well like? The water in the well was like a mirror. Question F, what did the man want the hook to do? The man wanted the hook to catch the moon and pull it up. Question G, what did the hook catch? The hook caught a big stone. Question H, what did the man do? Answer, the man pulled and pulled, but the handle would not move. I, what happened next? Answer, suddenly the stone moved, the hook flew up the well, the man fell onto his back. J, question J, where was the moon all the time? Answer, the moon was in the sky all the time. Students, you will do these question answers in your copies. There is vocabulary. Write down the meanings of these words and use them in sentences. The words are mirror, a surface which reflects a clear image. Hook means a bent piece of metal. Underneath means below, and suddenly means quickly and unexpectedly. Students, you will write these words and their meanings in your copies and you will use them in sentences also. Thank you.